Google Analytics lets you track your website traffic and performance. It will collect data about visitors coming to your site. You will be able to see data about the places they are from, average time each user spent on your website, their interactions on your website, in which time of the day they visited the website, how much traffic your website has per month or year, and much more. These data can be very useful to optimize your website to get more traffic and sales. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can set up Google Analytics on your website. By the end of this video, you will be able to see data about your website traffic like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to Google and search for Google Analytics. Now visit their website. We need to create an account. So click on Start Measuring. So here you can create your Google Analytics account. Here type in your account name. You can set up more than one website in the same account. So type in a name for your account. It can be your name or your website's name. Now we need to set up property. Property is your website or app. So you can give the website name right here. My Gmail account name and the website name is same. So I'm giving it the same name. So here you have to give the name of the website whose performance data you are going to collect. After that, select your time zone and currency. If you select the country right here, it will automatically set the time zone. Now click next. So now we need to provide information about our website. Here you need to select industry. Select an industry that your website niche is related to. Now we need to select the business size. So if you are running your website by yourself without any employees, then you can select small. Next, you need to select how you want to use Google Analytics with your website. So we are using it to measure our website traffic and performance. So you can check all those options that apply. So we want to measure customer engagement. So we are going to check that. You can check all these options if you want. So if you want to create a digital product and sell it on your website in future, then you might want to analyze your online sales and conversions, etc. So now click on create. So here you need to agree to the terms of service. You need to select your country and click on I accept. So if you want to receive emails about updates on Google Analytics, you can click on save. So now we need to set up a data stream. So we need to paste the code in our website HTML for Google Analytics to track our website data. So here choose a platform, click on web, and here enter your website URL. Now here in stream name, type your website name, click on create stream. Now we need to install Google Analytics on our website. So if you are using WordPress, then you can install a plugin for setting up Google Analytics on your website, or you can set it up manually. Here you can click on install manually. I'm going to be installing manually. So here they provide a JavaScript code. Copy it and paste it after the head element in your website HTML template. For that, log into your WordPress dashboard and install a plugin called WP Code. Activate it and here you will see code snippet. So here click on header and footer. In the header section, paste the code that we copied from Google Analytics. Now click on save changes. Now you have set up Google Analytics on your website. It's that simple. Now go to Analytics dashboard and close this window. Now within 48 hours, the data collection will be active. So you can close this window. Now click on home. In a new Chrome window, try visiting your website and click on your post. Now check the Analytics dashboard, and now in real-time users section, you can see one user since we visited the website. So now we know Analytics is working. Now if someone visits your website, you will be able to see the data right here. So as you can see, the country of the user is shown here. You can see monthly and weekly reports right here. So here if you select last 28 days, then you will see the users of your website in the last month. You can also see the event count. So here if you click on reports, you will be able to get much more detailed report of traffic to your website. In landing page, you will be able to see which page in your website receives most traffic, and in events, you will be able to see things like clicks on your website, clicks on links, etc. Here in the engagement and overview, you will be able to see the overview of engagements on your website, how many people clicked on the website, in which page they interacted, etc. Top pages on your website that receive more traffic and data about where this traffic came from can be seen in Analytics. So that's all in today's video. I hope you understood how to set up Google Analytics on your website. Like this video and share it to your friends. Subscribe to Blogger Score. We will keep coming with more videos like this. See you in the next video.